Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can exit outline mode. So this has happened to me quite some time when I'm in Adobe Illustrator, because sometimes I just press buttons and then suddenly this happens and I want to go back to the way it was before, but I can't press undo for some reasons because it doesn't do anything. So you have to actually exit the outline mode. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Y on my keyboard to do so. And as you can see, it's going to be the same as it was before. I think you can also do it in view. I'm not quite sure how to do it though in here, but it's just so simple to press Ctrl Y and go into this mode, but to go back, just press Ctrl Y on your keyboard again, and then you're going to be exited out of the outline mode on Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!